I said in 2015.
PNP has defended its caretaker for Southwest St. Elizabeth, Dr. Miranda Wellington, over comments she made seemingly endorsing war from a political platform. The PNP caretaker made the remarks at a divisional conference in Westmoreland on Sunday.
Farmers are out of work. Nobody can produce. You can't buy fertilizer. You can't buy seed. You can't buy water. So how you gonna farm?
If I war, don't want make it stop. If somebody not dead for me.
This is not going to be an easy victory, but I want you to know that we're prepared for war. And if a war, a war!
March, we are march, 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 we are march.
Dr. Miranda Wellington, PNP caretaker for Southwest St. Elizabeth. The JLP called on Dr. Wellington to apologize for her remarks, citing Jamaica's history of political violence. But in response, PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell says Dr. Wellington is a target of a JLP smear campaign. He says the JLP has done nothing meaningful to curtail the dangerous rhetoric coming from its senior members.
Instead of addressing their own record of incitement, from Darrell Vaz to Desmond McKenzie and Everett Warmington, the JLP has a well-documented culture of inflammatory language and provocation. And while there was a belated apology on one single occasion from Mr. Warmington, the broader pattern of hostile behavior from within the JLP has never been meaningfully addressed. The hypocrisy is not lost on the general public. What we're seeing now is a calculated distraction. People's National Party remains committed to a political culture grounded in respect, fairness, and peaceful engagement.
Dr. Dayton Campbell, PNP General Secretary.